We use okay in informal language. We use it in different ways, as a discourse marker, adjective or adverb. We use okay as a response token to show that we understand, accept, or agree with what someone is saying. I'll see you at 5 in front of the library. Okay, see you later. We often use okay to show that we are moving on to a new topic or phase of conversation. Okay, let's get into groups of 4 now. We often use okay to check understanding. We usually put it in end position. I know it's difficult to talk, just nod or shake your head, okay? We often use okay as an adjective to say that something is not a problem, it's alright. Thanks for helping me out. That's okay, no problem. Okay is used as an adverb in informal speech, meaning alright. The internet was down all morning, but it seems to be working okay now.